Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all my lovely students. Children, how are you today? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, let us revise U vowel words again. B-U-G bug, D-U-G duck, J-U-G jug, H-U-B hub, R-U-B rub, T-U-B tub, G-U-N gun, N-U-N none, S-U-N sun, G-U-M gum, H-U-M hum, S-U-M sum, C-U-T cut, H-U-T hut, P-U-T put, C-U-P cup, P-U-P pup. Children, now take a new page and draw a line in the middle of the page as shown here in the video. Here in this corner you have to write the date whenever you write this work. जिस दिन आप लिखने बैठो उसी दिन की डेट आपको यहाँ पर कॉर्नर में लिखनी है. For heading you have to leave 3 finger space. Children, heading लिखने के लिए हमें यहाँ पर 3 fingers की space लेनी है. After the space you have to write the heading. Come on, start writing heading with me. R E V I S I O N. Revision. R E V I S I O N. Revision. Once again, R E V I S I O N. Revision. Children, on this page I'll make you write revision of U vowel word. Children, here we'll write the spelling of bug. So write with me. Come on. B-U-G bug. B-U-G bug. B-U-G bug. Next we'll write the spelling of dug. D-U-G dug. D-U-G dug. D-U-G dug. Here we will write the spelling of jug. Write with me. Come on. J-U-G jug. J-U-G jug. J-U-G jug. Here we will write the spelling of hub. H-U-B hub. H-U-B hub. H-U-B hub. Next we will write the spelling of rub. R-U-B rub. R-U-B rub. R-U-B rub. Next we will write the spelling of tub. T-U-B tub. T-U-B tub. T-U-B tub. T-U-B tub. Next we will write the spelling of gun. So write with me. Come on. G-U-N gun. G-U-N gun. G-U-N gun. G-U-N gun. Next we will write the spelling of none. So write with me. Come on. N-U-N none. N-U-N none. N-U-N none. N-U-N none. Next we will write the spelling of sun. S-U-N sun. S-U-N sun. S-U-N sun. Here we will write the spelling of gum. So write with me. Come on. G-U-M gum. G-U-M gum. G-U-M gum. G-U-M gum. Next we will write H-U-M hum. H-U-M hum. H-U-M hum. H-U-M hum. After the blue line, here we will write the spelling of S-U-M sum. S-U-M sum. S-U-M sum. S-U-M sum. S-U-M sum. Next we will write the spelling of cut. C-U T cut, CUT cut, CUT cut, CUT cut. Next we will write HUT hut, HUT hut, HUT hut, HUT hut. Next we will write PUT put, PUT put, PUT put, PUT put. Next we will write CUP cup, CUP cup, CUP cup, CUP cup. Next we will write PUP pup. Come on, write with me. PUP pup, PUP pup, PUP pup. Once again we will revise. BUG bug, BUG bug, DUG dug, DUG dug, JUG jug, JUG jug, HUB hub, HUB hub, RUB rub, RUB rub, TUB tub, TUB tub, GUN gun, GUN gun, NUN none, NUN none, SUN sun, SUN sun, GUM gum, GUM gum, HUM hum, HUM hum, SUM sum, SUM sum, CUT cut, CUT cut, HUT hut, HUT hut, PUT put, PUT put, CUP cup, CUP cup, PUP pup, PUP pup. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.